Okay, boys and girls, this is lesson 1.6, Ordering Numbers, the guided practice portion of the lesson. So here we have the statement, use the place value chart to help you order the following numbers from least to greatest. And again, this right here is my place value chart. And I have it starting from my ones going all the way up to my 100,000s. Little to big, least to greatest. I've already started putting my place value friends above each digit in my my last two numbers right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and include my place value friends above the digits in this number. So I have my ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and after thousands is 10,000s, and we abbreviate it with a capital TTH. So now I'm going to go ahead and plug in my numbers, my three numbers, into my place value chart. So my first one is 11,573. Starting off in my ones place, I need a 3 in my ones column, in the O column, a 7 in the tens column, in the T column, a 5 in the hundreds, the H column, a 1 and a comma in the thousands column, and a 1 in the 10,000s column, the TTH. I'm going to go ahead and plug in my next two numbers as well, doing it the same way, starting off with my ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. And my last number, 12,457, the same thing, my ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. When I order numbers, I want to make sure that I compare the place value that is the greatest, okay? And the greatest place value happens to be my 10,000s place. So I'm going to look at my digits there, and I see that they are all the same. They're all 1. Well, that's not going to help me order my numbers correctly. So I'm going to cross that out, and I'm going to focus on what's different. I'm going to go on to the next greatest place value, which happens to be the thousand. So I have 1,000, 1,000, 2,000. Well, the 2 stands out. That is the greater value, the greater digit in this column. So that means that 12,457 needs to go first. So we have 12,457 is first. I'm going to put a little first next to it to show that I've used this number. I'm going to lightly cross it out. So now I'm left with my two 1,000 numbers. Again, they're the same, so I'm going to cross that out. I'm going to go on to the next greatest place value, which happens to be the hundreds place. 500 is greater than 100, so my next number needs to be 11,573, and I'm going to put a little second here. My last number needs to be 11,137, and that's in third place. So I ordered my numbers from big to little, big to little. To write them from little to big or least to greatest, all I have to do is flip my numbers. Make it capital. There. So I'm going to flip them. So down below, let me show move my camera to get the bottom portion. So now I'm going to put my last one in first place, 11,137. Then we have 11,573 still in the middle. And then we have 12,457. So this is my answer right here, ordering these numbers from little to big, least to greatest. And again, remember, we always have to compare numbers looking at the greatest place value first. And in these three numbers, it happened to be the 10,000s place.